How to add categories in Ecwid. So first, go to your dashboard. Next is look for catalog here at the left side. Hover over your mouse and just click on categories. Okay, click on this one. Next is click on this add root category here at the top. Then just pick a name for it. So let's say you're selling clothes for men. So let's say I'll add men's clothing. Alright. So then you can also add a category image. Just click on this choose file button here, and then you can just upload your file here. And you can also add a description for this category. You can customize it here. And after doing that, you can just click on save here. And there you go. Now you have a category here. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.